Review mixed number division. That's where we want to be. All right. So, scratch off the one on your paper and make it this problem. 6 3/4 divided by 1 7/8. Again, we're dividing with mixed numbers, but when we divide, we end up multiplying, so we have to change them into improper fractions first. So 4 times 6 would be 24. 24 plus 3 would be 27/4. This is still dividing. Now I'm going to write that as an improper fraction. 8 times 1 is 8. 8 plus 7 is 15, so 15/8. Now that I have it written down as dividing fractions, we follow the rule for dividing. When we divide fractions, we invert that second fraction and multiply, right? Multiply by the reciprocal. So we change our problem into 27/4 times 8 over 15, right? We flip that second fraction. Then I look to see if I can reduce. Well, 4 goes into 4 once and into 8 2 times. The 27 and the 15 are both divisible by 3. 3 goes into, oh actually they're both, only 3. I thought it was going to do more than that. 27 divided by 3 is 9. 15 divided by 3 is 5. So now multiplying, 9 times 2 gives me 18, and 1 times 5 is just 5, so I have 18/5. Now this one says, write your answer as a fraction or a mixed number in simplest form. What they mean by that is if it's a proper fraction, you're going to leave it as a fraction. But if you get the improper fraction, they want you to change it to the mixed number. So we're going to change this one to the mixed number. 5 goes into 18 3 times. 3 times 5 is 15. And I get 3 left over. So 3 3/5 should be our answer. So we're going to do on the next one, scribble the next one out. Do 3 1/6 divided by 5/8. 3 1/6 divided by 5/8. So in this one, we just need to change the first one to an improper fraction. 3 1/6 would be, what is an improper fraction? 19/6. 19/6 divided by 5/8. Now I have to remember I've got to change it from division to multiplication. So what should my problem be? 19/6 times 8/5, right? And then I can reduce. I can always reduce, but I can reduce this one because the 6 and the 8 are divisible by 2. So this is going to become 3 and the 8 is going to change to 4. So multiplying 19 times 4. Times 4 is 76. And then 3 times 5, 15, right? So 15 divides into 76. How many times? 5 times. 5 times that. 5, 25. I can't multiply today. It's 75, right? I do that right. So I get 15 1/5, huh? 3 1/2 divided by 3 1/6.
3 1/6 to give yourself?
Yep, 3 1/2 divided by 3 1/6. And you got
1 and 2 19.
1 and 2 19ths.